Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are making mini pistachio and walnut pies today. In a mixing bowl, add 8 tablespoons of unsalted soft butter and 2 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, baking powder, 1/4 pinch of salt, and vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Place a piece of plastic wrap here. Place the dough. And shapes. You can use anything. Place it here and set in the pan. Keep it in fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will make the filling. 1 cup of pistachio, raw pistachios. This is done in some seconds. Raw walnut, 1 cup. Add pistachio. Cook them for some seconds. Now add 2 tablespoons of water and cornstarch, 1 tablespoon in it to make it a little bit thick. While it is melting, I will add walnuts. Cook them for some seconds. Beautiful paste of walnut. Add 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix and add. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. These are pistachio. It is so yummy paste. The paste is so yummy. You can eat as it is. I taste it. It is very, very yummy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And the walnut with walnut, raw walnut. Let's bake them. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. They are baked beautifully in 22 minutes. Look how beautiful this. This is pistachio.